Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be making some chopped cheese sandwiches. So I'm using some ground beef. The seasoning I'm using is adobo, some garlic powder, roasted garlic and herb seasoning, some Montreal chicken seasoning, some black pepper, and some sazon. So now I'm just mixing the seasoning in really well. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some onion. So I'm just going to cut the onion up into small pieces and add that into the ground beef. Remember, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you hit the like button. Okay, so I'm just chopping the ground beef up into small pieces because I see some chunks. Now that it's done, I'll be draining it. Okay, so of course you gotta add some lettuce on the sandwich, so I'm just chopping my lettuce up. Okay, so I like my lettuce like this, very thin and small. Okay, so now I'm chopping up some tomato. Now that everything is chopped, it should look like this. Now it's time to start adding the cheese into the ground beef. I'm going to let that melt and then I'm going to mix it in. Y'all, this is smelling so good right now. I can't wait to eat. Okay, now that it's done, I'm going to be toasting my bread. So I added some butter in the pan. Put the top of the roll in. Flipped it over. Make sure you get both sides. Now I'm putting the bottom piece of the roll in. Doing the same process. Okay, so now it's time to assemble the sandwich. So I'm going to add some mayo on the bread. Now adding some ketchup. Okay, now we're going to add the meat. Add the lettuce. And now add some tomatoes. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper on top. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut it in half and then I'm going to show you how it came out. Wow, y'all, look at that. Don't it look good?